Good morning, students. I'm your English teacher. So, we were studying lesson number 6. Today I will explain you the rest of the chapter. So, let's start reading the chapter. I already explained you 2 pages of this chapter, that is lesson number 6, Uncle Prashad and the Flying Machine part 1. Now, we will study from page number 60. Okay, firstly I will tell you a short summary of these 2 pages. In this story there was a small boy whose name was Ravi. He was drawing a picture, and it was flying machine on a sheet of paper. He was drawing a flying machine in a sheet of paper. Then there was some knock in the door, and when he opened it, it was Uncle Prashad. He shouted that Uncle Prashad came to his home, and he took him to his room and showed the flying machine. Now Uncle Prashad said that, can it really fly? So he said, give me 2 months time, I will show it to you. So he collected some things and went to his father and said, father, give some space in the garage so I can make a flying machine. So father was very happy, and father said, okay, take, but don't make much noise. Then the next day he started his work. Ravi started his work, and in just 2 months he made a flying machine which can fly. Then his father was very happy. His father was very delighted. So his father said to him that it will fly or not. He said, of course it will fly, and the first pilot will be Uncle Prashad. Then on this Sunday, Uncle Prashad came to Ravi's house, and they had the breakfast, and after breakfast Ravi showed him his flying machine. Ravi took him to the garage and showed his flying machine. Then let's read the chapter now. It does not look very strong, said Uncle Prashad. Oh, it is, said Ravi. It will easily carry you. Uncle Prashad laughed, and he thought to himself, what a noise there will be when I sit on this and everything breaks. Uncle Prashad said, it will fly. Ravi says, of course it will fly. And Uncle Prashad was smiling and giggling on his own that if he will sit on this, because he was a heavy man, he was a fat man, if he will sit on it, it will definitely break. He and Ravi carried the plane out of the garage along the road to a little hill. Lots of people saw them carrying the plane and followed them. When he and Ravi took out the plane from the garage, Uncle Prashad and Ravi were taking the plane to the roadside and then went to the hill. Then lots of people saw him and followed them. At last they came to the top hill. At last they came to the hill, put the aeroplane down at the very top of a high, flat rock. Now Uncle Prashad, jump in, cried Ravi. Jump in, shouted Uncle Prashad. Jump in where? Now Ravi was shouting, jump in, uncle, jump in, uncle. Now Uncle Prashad says, where? Oh, said Ravi, you have to sit on this paper. Now listen carefully. I will tell you how to fly the plane. The loops of strings are for your feet. You put both hands on this bar. If you want the plane to go up, you pull the bar towards you. If you want the plane to go right, you push your right foot down. If you want the plane to go to the left, you put your left foot down. Can you remember all that? Now, Uncle Prasad sat on the piece of wood, and then Ravi said, "Listen to me carefully, all the instruction how to fly the plane." Then he showed that the loops were for your feet, and you will put both your hand on this bar, and if the plane go up, you will pull the bar towards you, and if the plane go right, you will put your right foot down, and if it will go leftwards, then you will put your left feet down. And can you remember all the instructions? Uncle Prasad smiled to himself. He knew the plane would not fly, so was not frightened at all. He sat on the seat, put his feet through the loops of string, and held tightly onto the bamboo rod. "I'm ready," he said to Ravi. "But the plane isn't going up." Uncle Prasad laughed loudly. Uncle Prasad was already smiling, and he thought that the plane will not fly, and he was very frightened. So, no, he was not frightened at all. Okay, so he sat on the seat and put his feet to the loops, and sitting very tightly and very clearly, and putting his head on the bamboo rod, and he said to Ravi, "I'm ready. See, I'm ready, but your plane is not flying up. It is not going up." Uncle Prasad started laughing loudly. Uncle Prasad was laughing. Here we complete our chapter. So we have completed lesson number 6, an explanation. So that's all for today, class. Have a good day. Stay safe. Have a good day. Thank you.